Hello friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. So happy that you guys are here for this video. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way in so you can stay updated with all types of home decor videos. Also share this video with people that may enjoy it. Now, in this video, we are going to be looking over some amazing studio apartments and condos. Can you say studio condo? I don't know, maybe you can. So, if you have a studio apartment, if you are interested in it, or just want to see how to totally decorate one beautifully, just keep watching. So just because your home is less than 600 square feet doesn't mean like it has to feel like a tiny dorm room. In fact, there are a multitude of creative ways for utilizing the space you have and making it feel more open and ample. Of course, you can't magically expand your apartment's footprint unless you knock down your neighbor's wall, but I don't think they would appreciate that much. But with a little space planning and the right decor, you can maximize every square inch of your place to create the grown-up home you deserve. No remodeling required. With the openness of a studio apartment, sometimes it's hard to establish a defined floor plan. A great way to do this is to carve out an area in your studio with a large piece of furniture like a bookshelf. So as you can see in this example, they're using a really tall bookshelf to block off the living room from the bedroom. So they are basically creating two separate rooms just by using one piece of furniture. Now, if you're short on space, you can turn your bed into a day bed. This would allow you to use your bed as a couch during the day to create extra seating options in your studio. You can simply create your own day bed by placing your twin or double bed against the wall and using large throw pillows to create a couch-like look. At bedtime, put your pillows where your head goes and voila, you have a bed. Creating an accent wall in a small studio is also a great way to create some visual interest. You can use a bold, abstract wallpaper to not only define the space in a certain portion of your studio, but it also acts as a giant piece of art. Curtains are also a great way to divide up space without really chunky pieces. As you see in this example, the curtains just kind of flow in a white color, and at bedtime you can close them off and essentially make a bedroom. if you have tall ceilings in your studio, building a loft is an excellent way to add some additional square footage to your space. You can consider creating a sleeping area in the loft and use the space underneath as a living room or a music studio, a reading nook, or really whatever creative idea that you come up with. So like I do in every video, I want to know what you consider your favorite studio apartment that you have seen in this video. I'm so curious to know. So comment down below and also let me know, would you ever consider downsizing to a studio apartment, or do you live in one right now? I'm so curious. I want to know. Tell me all about it. So like I do in every video, I always ask you to comment your favorite down below, and I always share mine. Sometimes they're my favorite, sometimes it's just rooms that I want you to take a look at. But this room is one of my favorites. This is a studio, but it's a super large studio. It's so light, it's so airy. I feel like if I were to ever live in a studio, this would be the one that I want. How about you? As always, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment down below if you've made it all the way to the end. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends, and remember, stay stylish.